above and none of the above. The answer of the question is Richardson's equation. And next one objective is, in the space charge region, the magnitude of anode current is given by Richardson's equation, Child-Langmuir's law, either of the above and none of the above. Child-Langmuir's law. Answer B is the answer. And now 4. Next question is, the magnitude of anode current in the space charge limited region is A. Varies with anode voltage, varies with temperature of the cathode, and C. Remains constant. The answer is varies with anode voltage. And answer is, in a vacuum tube, main source of electron emission is thermionic emission, secondary emission, photoelectric emission, none of the above. Answer is thermionic emission. And next one is, slope of a plate characteristics gives an indication about the magnitude of dash resistance, static resistance, dynamic resistance, DC insulation. The answer is dynamic resistance. In a vacuum tube, oxide coated cathode tube is used because it can withstand higher voltage. It has longer life. It emits electrons at lower temperature. None of the above. It emits electrons at lower temperature. Answer. In a vacuum tube, diode current flow is due to electrons only, holes only, positive ions only, none of the above. Answer of the question is electrons only. As a rectifier, as an oscillator for stepping down electric voltage. The answer is for stepping down electric voltage. And saturation is the result of space charge region depleted. Too low plate voltage, too high filament temperature, too low plate temperature. Answer is space charge region depleted. The maximum efficiency of a full wave rectifier is around 90%, A, B 81%, C 40%, D none of the above. Answer is B 81%. And next one is, in a full wave rectifier, transfer mode is A essential, not essential, either of the above, and answer is essential. And next one question is, a bridge type full wave rectifier requires 2 diodes, 3 diodes, 4 diodes, 6 diodes. We all know bridge type full wave rectifier requires 4 diodes. Answer is C. For the same DC output, diodes in center tape circuit should have dash PIV, it means peak inverse voltage, than in bridge type circuit. Then A lower, B higher, C either of the above, D none of the above. Answer is A lower. The DC output of a bridge type circuit is dash than that of equivalent center tape circuit. Then A less, B more, either of the above, D none of the above. Answer is B more. Now in a bridge type circuit, cathode of the diode are dash potential, A at the same, B at different, C either of the above, D none of the above. Answer is at different. In a full wave rectifier, if AC supply frequency is 50 Hz, then AC ripple in the output is A 25 Hz, B 50 Hz, C 100 Hz, D 150 Hz. Answer is 100 Hz. Rectification diode is made to work in A. Temperature limited region, B. Space charge limited region, C. Either of the above, D. None of the above. The answer is space charge limited region. Cathode material which is most suited for very high voltage value is A. Tungsten, Thyrite tungsten, oxide coated emitters, any of the above. Answer is tungsten. Next one is a pentode, the screen grid. In a pentode, the screen grid eliminates the problem of silicon dairy emission from the plate, decreases the grid plate capacitance as compared with a triode, and C. makes the plate current more dependent of the plate voltage. D. has the same potential as the cathode. Answer is decreases the grid plate capacitance as compared with a triode. Plate voltage is positive with respect to cathode. Cathode emits electrons and the plate voltage is negative with respect to cathode. Filament emits electrons and plate voltage is negative with respect to cathode. And D. cathode emits electrons and plate voltage is positive with respect to cathode. The answer is cathode emits electrons and plate voltage is positive with respect to cathode. In a pentode, a control grid is provided to accelerate the electrons emitted from the plate, B. restrict the secondary emission from the plate, C. collect electrons from the space charge, control the number of electrons moving from cathode to plate. Answer is D. control the number of electrons moving from cathode to plate. Next one is an oxide coated cathode cannot be used if the voltage at the anode is 5 volt, B 50 volt, C 200 volt, D 500 volt. Answer is 500 volt. The third electron in a triode is kept anywhere between cathode and anode. C. B. exactly in between cathode and anode. C. near the cathode. D. near the anode. Answer is near the cathode. And now the filament of a vacuum tube can be heated by which of the following? Rectified DC voltage, B. DC voltage only, C. low frequency AC voltage, D. any of the above. Answer is any of the above. Metals with low work function generally have A. high hardness, B. low specific gravity, C. low melting point, D. non-crystalline structure. Answer is low melting point. Which of the following emitter material usually needs less than 1 kilovolt as plate voltage? Pure tungsten, thyrite tungsten, oxide coated, all of the above. Answer is oxide coated. Due to which of the following reasons vacuum tubes are still used in some electronic devices? Capacity to handle high power, B. trouble free life, C. long life, battery reliability, none of the above. Capacity to handle high power. Answer is capacity to handle high power. In a radio transmitter, vacuum tubes are used A. to record programs, B. to provide lighting inside the studio, C. to provide DC supply, D. to generate high power radio waves. Answer is D. to generate high power radio waves. A triode can also be used as an amplifier due to which of the following reasons: A. Any small change in grid voltage is capable of causing a larger change in the plate voltage. B. It has different values of plate resistance for AC and DC. C. Plate is a high power source. D. It has three elements like a transistor. Answer is A. Any small change in grid voltage is capable of causing a larger change in plate voltage. And next one is the transformer characteristics of a triode is a relation A. between plate voltage and plate current for constant values of grid voltage. B. Between grid voltage and plate voltage for a constant plate current. C. Between grid voltage and plate current for constant value of plate voltage. D. None of the above. Answer is between grid voltage and plate current for constant values of plate voltage. And this has the highest positive voltage in the cathode ray tube. A. Control grid, B. Anode, C. Cathode, D. Heater. Answer is anode. If you know this all question, answer of this all question, then comment in comment box. Thank you.